Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome back to my channel. After a long time, I'm back here with the most important video for all my viewers, especially for those students who are going to appear Karnataka Board SLC examination this year. As we all know, due to this pandemic, the examination is postponed and delayed, and now we are getting the dates of third week of July. So let's have an updation of the examination pattern and allotment of marks, how the paper is going to be. And we all know that the exam paper is totally changed and it is based on MCQs, that is multiple choice questions. So let us discuss how the paper is going to be and how we are going to appear for it. So let's watch the video till end and do not miss any part of it. And if you like it and if you find this video as informative, do like, share and subscribe to this channel. So let's start with it. So this year you will have to appear two papers, especially those Karnataka board students, SLC students who are going to appear. They will be appearing two papers, just two papers to clear the board exams. One will be language based paper and the other will be the subject papers. In the language paper, you will have all the three languages questions, first language, second and third, as per your selection, whatever language you have decided or selected as first language and second and third, all the languages will be in one paper. It will be totally of 120 marks. Similarly, subject papers, core papers, you will have all the three subjects in one paper. So in this manner you will attempt just two papers to clear your examination. Okay, so now under languages you will have 40 marks questions, MCQs question of first language, and second language again you will have 40 MCQs question, and again it will be followed by 40 questions that will be third language questions. So total 120 marks question you will have in paper 1, that will be your language paper, and you will be attempting in one day. Each question will contain 1 mark. In the similar manner, you will have subject paper also, 40 marks each for each subject, math, science and social in one paper itself, which will make a gain of total 120 marks. So this is how your paper will be. Now, if you are suppose having language exam and you have selected first language as English, second language as Kannada and third language as Hindi, so in your language paper you will see that question number 1 to 40 will be totally your English paper, English questions, and all the questions are going to be in multiple choice question type. Like you will have one question, you will have four options for it, you will have to select the correct option, the correct answer. So 1 to 40, your English questions. And if you have selected second language as Kannada, your 41 to 80 question will be your Kannada based questions. Again, it will be MCQs. You will have one question, four options for each question. The correct one you will have to select it. And then 81 to 120 question will be your third language. If you have selected Hindi, if you have opted for Hindi, your 81 to 120 question will be your Hindi subjects. So like this, you will be doing or attempting your language papers. Totally 120 marks, 40 marks each subject MCQs. Okay. In the similar manner, when you are doing your core subject papers, question number 1 to 40 will be your maths questions. Question number 41 to 80 will be your science questions. And question number 81 to 120 will be your social questions. Again, these questions are going to be in the form of multiple choice question, wherein you will have one question, four options. You read it, select one correct option and answer, and then mark that. Okay, you will have an OMR sheet where you will have four bubbles across each question number. You will have to select the correct bubble, like for example A, B, C, D. Four options are there for one question. You will have four bubbles A, B, C, D. Whichever option is correct, you will have to fill that bubble with the black or blue ballpoint pen. And this is how you are going to attempt your examination. And you will have total of 3 hours time to attempt one entire paper. Like for example, you are attempting paper 1. If it's your language paper, you will have to attempt all 120 questions in 3 hours. So you have sufficient amount of time to appear for your paper. So do not panic and get stressed about the time and duration. Just focus on the lessons and the summary. Be thorough with your textbooks, and you are going to do well in the examination. So, wishing all the best for all the 10th standards students of Karnataka board, Karnataka state, and hope that you do well and it will be a easy one for you all. So, for the latest updates, and we'll also be solving some of the model question papers, which is on the new uh, paper pattern, based on new paper pattern, and will be uploaded very soon in the video in the channel. So subscribe to channel for the latest answers of the model question papers. Till then, stay safe and take care. Thank you.